what are they doing with all of these potatoes? They're arriving at the factory and heading towards their first stop. This interesting machine. Do you see those round green cylinders? Notice how they have a rough surface. As they spin, they scrape away at the potatoes' sides while they move through the machine. Now, the potatoes are scrubbed clean, so it's time to travel through the factory to the next step. The potatoes are tumbling into a new machine. In the bottom, they're falling out in thin slices and being whisked away by a stream of water. After a nice, cool misting, the potato slices enter the fryer. Toasty. But we're not quite finished yet. First, the slices are dumped into a large tray. It shimmies back and forth to scoot them along the factory floor. I wonder where they're going. This blue conveyor belt brings them upstairs to this new machine. Here, the slices are separated. They slide into individual chutes where they're weighed and then dropped downstairs. On the floor below, bags are filled up and sealed. Then they're sent off to be shipped. And that's how they make Better Made potato chips in Detroit, Michigan.